Have you ever wondered what sparked the global grassroots environmental movement? What was the catalyst that made us question our actions and their impact on our planet? Let's dive deep into the story that changed the course of environmental consciousness forever. In 1962, a book titled Silent Spring emerged, shedding light on the dark corners of our agricultural practices. Written by Rachel Carson, a marine biologist with a penchant for the written word. This book wasn't just a collection of pages. It was a clarion call, a wake-up signal to humanity. Carson wasn't just an author. She was a beacon of change. A woman whose words would lead to the creation of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and earn her the prestigious Presidential Medal of Freedom posthumously. But what was it about Silent Spring that resonated so deeply with its readers? Why has its message endured for decades, still echoing in the ears of activists worldwide? At the heart of Silent Spring was a simple yet profound truth. Humans are intrinsically linked to their environment. To harm nature is to harm ourselves. And in the 1960s, one of the most significant harms came from the widespread use of chemical pesticides, particularly in U.S. agriculture. Imagine a time when the aftermath of World War II brought with it a legacy of chemicals. These chemicals, initially designed for warfare, were found lethal to insects and pests. On the surface, it seemed like a boon for agriculture. Protect crops, increase yield, and ensure food security. But as Carson meticulously detailed, this short-term gain came at a catastrophic long-term cost. Pesticides, especially the notorious DDT, didn't just target pests. They permeated ecosystems, seeping into water sources and entering the food chain. A chain that, inevitably, led back to us. The very chemicals meant to protect our food were now silently coursing through our veins. And the consequences were dire. Even trace amounts of DDT could wreak havoc on the human body, causing liver cells to disintegrate. And how did these chemicals enter our system? Through a web of interconnected actions, like the feeding of contaminated alfalfa to chickens, which then laid eggs infused with DDT. Those eggs, consumed by unsuspecting individuals, became silent carriers of a deadly legacy. But Carson's Silent Spring wasn't just about highlighting problems. It was a call to action, a plea for change. She emphasized the power of education, urging people to understand the broader impact of human actions on the environment. Spraying chemicals was just one facet of humanity's misguided attempts to control nature. Carson believed that with the right knowledge, we could transition from dominance to cooperation. And cooperation meant seeking alternatives. Alternatives that were in harmony with nature. Instead of chemical warfare, why not employ biological methods? From mass sterilization of pests to introducing specific parasites and predators. The solutions were there, waiting to be embraced. Silent Spring was more than just a book. It was a testament to Carson's determination. Her unwavering stand against powerful chemical industries that sought to silence her. Through her words, she painted a picture of a world where nature and humanity coexisted. Where the songs of spring weren't muted by the silence of pesticides. So, if you're a budding environmental activist or someone who cherishes our planet, remember Rachel Carson's legacy. Remember that change begins with awareness. And action stems from knowledge. Our planet is a precious home, and it's up to us to ensure its voice is never silenced. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to the channel for more.